Hello, I'm Nadia. This is my home medical kit. Let's look inside.
My home medical kit, part 1.
This is a blood pressure monitor.
A blood pressure monitor. A blood pressure monitor.
This is a thermometer.
A thermometer. A thermometer.
This is ointment.
Ointment. Ointment.
This is brilliant green.
Brilliant green. Brilliant green.
This is a plaster.
A plaster. A plaster. A band-aid. A band-aid.
This is a bandage.
A bandage. A bandage.
What's the matter? Get better soon.